Hello students, lecture 113 based on history chapter print culture. In this video lecture we'll discuss three articles. First article is print culture created the ideas for French revolutions. Second is during 19th century print culture put a deep impact on the lives of children, women and workers, especially in Europe. And third article is innovations in print technology. So print culture provided ideas for French revolutions and helped in French revolutions. In what way the print culture created the ideas of French revolutions? In this regard, historians argued that print culture created the conditions for the French revolutions, and the three arguments were put forward in this regard. The first one is that print popularized the ideas of Enlightenment thinker, means rational writers who were writing about removing superstitious ideas, irrational based ideas. In this regard, their writings provided a critical commentary on traditions, superstitions and despotism. So the writings of Voltaire and Rousseau were read widely. These writers wrote against all these things, and people saw the world through new eyes that were questioning, critical and rational. Print created a new culture of dialogue and debate. Within this, the public culture or the printing culture gave new ideas of social revolution which came into being. People were now more socially connected. By 1780s, there was an outpouring of literature. Outpouring means literature was produced in large number, printed material was produced in large number, that mocked the royalty and criticized their morality. Mocking means they made fun of the royalty, the ruler's family and so on, and criticized their moral values. Next point, print helps in spreading ideas for the common reader, which help them to think and debate. They accepted some ideas and rejected others, and interpreted things the way they understood. And fifth point in this regard is print did not directly shape up the minds of the readers, but it did open up the possibility of thinking differently by reading about the misrule and wrong message of the authority. And this way, the revolutionaries also used printed material for spreading their messages. Anti-monarchy or the anti-colonial, wherever the countries were colonized. So this is how print helped in spreading the French Revolution. This article is exclusively discussed for the point of view of French revolutions. Next is 19th century and the impact of print on children, women and workers. This point also we'll discuss in 5 points. So first point is Large number of new readers among children, women, and workers were added to the mass literacy. Large number of people were literate in Europe during 19th century. From the late 19th century, primary education became compulsory, and in 1857 an exclusive printing press for children was set up in France, which published textbooks, short story books, fairy tales, cartoons, caricatures, which were largely read by children, and other literature related to children education. Third point, traditional folk tales were gathered by Grimm brothers in Germany. Grimm brothers, who traveled village to village for around 6 years, and they gathered folk tales. They were also printed. Rural folk tales acquired a new form, and with this, women became important as readers as well as writers. Fourth point, magazines were published, especially dedicated for women, behavior, and etiquette. Then it also published the teaching, manual teaching, proper behavior, and books on housekeeping. Books on housekeeping. Fifth, in the 19th century, lending libraries and public libraries in England became an instrument for educating white collar workers, artisans, and lower middle class people. This is how print influenced, affected the lives of women, children, and workers. Last article. Now, innovations in the print technology. How print technology developed. Press came to be made out of metal letters by the late 18th century. Now, print technology saw a series of further innovations by 19th century. During that century, power-driven cylindrical presses were perfected by Richard M. Hoe, which was particularly used for newspaper printing. Power-driven cylindrical presses developed by Richard M. Hoe for newspaper printing. The offset printing presses were developed, which were capable of printing 6 colors at a time. Now print was colorful with multiple colors. That is, offset printing presses are capable of printing in 6 colors. And by 20th century, electrically operated presses accelerated the printing operations, followed by other series of development. That is, methods of feeding paper improved. Now paper was fed into the machine automatically. Quality of letter plates became better. Automatic paper reels and photoelectric control of the color register were introduced for counting, packing, and for other processes. So these were the innovations in the printing presses from 18th century to 19th century. Thank you very much. That's all in this video. Keep watching.